The first point that Bentham makes is that banks and other lenders will not take on high risks for low interest. In particular, if you have people with a meager source of income who really need money in the short term, banks are not going to lend to them. Why is that the case? Here's the reason. When a bank or other lender lends out money at interest, they are taking a risk that the person will default on the loan. In Bentham's time, I guess that would have meant you went to debtor's prison. In contemporary times, it means bankruptcy. So what do banks and other lenders do? Well, basically, when they're setting their rate of interest, they set it high, they predict how many people in the relevant risk category are going to default on their loan. And then they set the rate of interest in such a way that they'll still make a profit, right, even when the predicted number of people default on the loan. So they'll say, okay, if in this group, probably 20% of this group is not going to be able to pay back, right? Well, okay, how much do we have to charge everybody so that we'll still make the profits from the other 80%, right, is enough to make up for not getting any of the money back from the other 20%. Which means if you're a high credit risk, nobody's going to lend you money at a low rate of interest. So if you really need the money, right, and you're in a group that's seen at high risk of defaulting on the loan, if there can't be a very high rate of interest, you're not going to get anything.